go for guidely material we were studying is. Otherwise, even this we can study, nothing wrong. Only thing is we should know how to manage our uh, questions. Just a minute. Wherever South Indian Bank comes, we have to put a federal bank and then change it. If it is relevant, I will tell you. Otherwise, I will ignore and go ahead. Okay. Now, candidates, um, who is there now? Who has got good internet connection? One who can read well, one who can read confidently in English, and one who has got good internet connection. Please, Suparna has joined. Yeah. Now, those please raise your hand. Those people who have got very good internet connection and one who is willing to read, please raise your hand. Deepak, yeah, who is raising hand now? Who is raising hand? Two people have raised hand. Who are they? Please speak out. Who are the two people who have raised hand? Excuse me, switch on your mic and speak up.
Sir,
All are
Asif.
Asif and then
Suparna, sir.
very good. First, we will go with Asif. Name starts with A. We will go with Asif. Asif, please read the questions and answers also.
Okay, sir. HR and personal questions. Introduce yourself. I'm a graduate in agriculture, engineering, commerce, arts from DAS University with a strong interest in retail banking and customer service. My academic background has given me analytical skill and exposure to finance, while internship project helped me interact with diverse people. I'm looking for a sales-oriented role where I could build relationship, achieve targets, and grow with South Indian banks.
Make it Federal Bank. For you, Federal Bank.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Now
Okay, sir.
continue. Number 2.
Why do you want to join banking after agriculture, engineering, commerce, arts? Banking
Asif,
offer,
Asif,
yes,
what have you studied?
sir, MBA finance.
Okay, please read.
Okay, sir. Banking offers a structured, growth oriented career with clear performance metrics and opportunities in retail, MSME, and agri finance. My degree gives me a domain knowledge for agri loan, technical assessment, financial understanding, and problem solving skills, which are directly useful in credit appraisal and customer handling. This role let me combine technical understanding with field work and relationship building.
Okay, 1 minute. Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? Can you tell me? Of course, for agriculture, if you want to modify the answer, well and good. All of us need not tell the same answer. We can modify the answer, but the English should be correct. Is, was, this, that, and all should be correct. Question number 3. You make it why Federal Bank. Please read like this.
Okay, sir. Why Federal Bank, not a public sector bank? Federal Bank is a fast growing technology driven private bank with a strong presence in South India and expanding pan India, which suits my language and relationship strength. The bank offers faster role progression, sales incentives, and performance linked culture, which motivate young officers. Working in a leisure target oriented structure will help me learn end to end retail banking quickly.
I think
This is
it's a good question. Yeah. Now you can take up question number 4.
Okay, sir. This is a sales driven junior officer role. How will you handle targets?
Now
Targets do
in your case also, this is a probationary officer role, sales linked. You also have to do sales. How you will take it up? Please read.
Okay, sir. Target gives clarity on expectations and help in planning daily activities. I will start my mapping my catchment area, building a prospect list from existing customers, references and field visits, and reviewing pipeline daily. Regular follow-up, cross-sellings to existing customers, and coordinating with branch operations team will help me achieve sustainable number.
Good. Now continue. Question number 5.
Okay, sir. How will you handle a difficult or rude customer at the branch? First, I will listen patiently without interrupting and acknowledge the customer's inconvenience. Then, I will check the facts, explain rules and possible solutions calmly, and if needed, involve the branch manager for quick resolutions. Even if the bank is right, maintaining respect and clear communication is critical to retain the relationship.
Mhm. Okay. Now we will, yeah, you can go up to 10. 11 to 20, Suparna will read. Now you please
Okay.
read 6.
Six. As an agriculture graduate, as an MBA graduate in finance, how will you add value in this role?
For
Mm,
you, for you, the answer will be different. This is
yes,
for agriculture graduates. Is there any
yes.
agriculture graduate here in the group now? Nobody. Then we will ignore this question. Go to
Okay,
question number 7.
okay, sir. This is for engineering graduates, sir.
Is there any engineering graduate in the group now? Engineering graduate, anybody in the group now? No, everybody is arts only, commerce only. Okay, no problem. Please go to question number 8.
Okay, sir. As a commerce graduate, how does your study help?
Read. Hmm.
Commerce has given me grounding in accounting, financial statements, costing, and business law. This help in analyzing balance sheets of small businesses, understanding ratios, and explaining loan terms like EMI, interest, and security to customers. It
Hmm.
directly support roles in deposits, advances, and cross-selling financial products.
Hmm. 1 minute. Just a minute. Akanksha, 1 minute. I have to give link to one girl. 1 minute. Yeah, where are we now? Question number 8 over. 8 is very relevant for all of you. Number 9.
Yes. So this is for our arts graduate.
Is there any arts graduate available here? Please ignore. We will go for 10.
Okay, sir. What are the main functions of commercial bank? Key functions include accepting deposits, lending to individuals, businesses, facilitating payments and remittances, and providing service like lockers, cards, and digital banking. Banks also play a role in financial inclusion, priority sector lending, and implementing government schemes. They act as an intermediary between savers and borrowers, supporting economic growth.
Good. Now, Suparna, you will read from 11 to 20.
Okay, sir. Explain types of deposit accounts. Major types are savings accounts for individuals, current accounts for business with high transaction needs, and term deposits like fixed and recurring deposits. Each differs in interest rate, withdrawal flexibility, and charges. Customers choose based on their liquidity needs and return expectation. Question number 12. What is the difference between fixed deposit and recurring deposit? In a fixed deposit, a lump sum is invested for a fixed period at a fixed rate and interest is paid periodically or at maturity. In recurring deposit, the customer deposits a fixed amount every month, building a corpus over a time. Both are term deposit, but RD helps people with regular small savings.
This is a very definite question for majority people. Please learn to tell that nicely. Suparna, 13.
What is EMI and what factors decide it? EMI is the fixed monthly installment paid towards a loan covering both principal and interest over the tenure. It depends on loan amount, interest rate, and repayment period, calculated using the standard amortization formula. Higher rate or shorter tenure increases EMI and prepayments can reduce future EMIs or tenure.
Okay, the EMI means equated monthly installment. Okay, Suparna, question number 14.
What is the difference between secured and unsecured loans? Secured loans are backed by collateral like property, gold, or deposits, giving the bank a claim in sorry,
1 minute. Somebody is coming here. 1 minute. Yeah, please read. What is the difference between fixed deposit and recurring deposit? Over EMI over 14. What is the difference between secured and unsecured loans? Read.
Secured loans are backed by collateral like property, gold, or deposits, giving the bank a claim in case of default. Unsecured loans like personal loans and credit cards are based mainly on income, credit score, and repayment history. Secured loans usually carry lower interest rates and higher ticket sizes due to lower risk.
Okay. Now 16.
So question number 15.
Yeah.
What digital services does a modern private bank typically offer? Services include mobile and internet banking, UPI, IMPS, NEFT, RTGS, debit and credit cards, e-statements, and online account opening. Value-added features like bill payment, QR payments, investment, and insurance on mobile apps are also common. These improve convenience, reduce branch load, and support a sales plus service model. Question number 16. What is UPI and why is it important for banks? Unified Payments Interface allows instant fund transfer between bank accounts 24/7 using a mobile app and virtual payment address. It has made low-value digital payments extremely easy, increasing transaction volumes and customer engagement. For banks, UPI is both a service necessity and a platform to cross-sell and retain customers. Question number 17. What recent concern exists around Aadhaar-enabled payment system? Regulator has highlighted the fraud risks and mandated enhanced monitoring of AEPS transactions and devices. Banks must strengthen authentication, transaction monitoring, and agent onboarding and ensure customer awareness to prevent misuse. This is important as AEPS is heavily used in rural areas for withdrawals and balance inquiry.
Continue.
Question number 18. What are RBI's recent steps on transparency in retail loans? RBI has pushed for clearer disclosure of all loan costs through standardized fact sheets showing APR, fees, and charges. Lenders must avoid undisclosed charges and provide simplified agreements in local languages so borrowers understand obligations before sanction. The aim is to protect customers and reduce disputes. Question number 19. What changes has RBI proposed for floating rate loans?
1 minute. Somebody is coming now. I am asking her also to join. You are reading?
Question number 19.
RBI, again read 18. I did not listen properly. Read.
What are RBI's recent steps on transparency in retail loans? RBI has pushed for clearer disclosure of all loan costs through standardized fact sheets showing APR, fees, and charges. Lenders must avoid undisclosed charges and provide simplified agreements in local languages so borrowers understand obligations before sanction. The aim is to protect customers and reduce disputes.
Okay, good. Please go to 19.
What changes has RBI proposed for floating rate loans? RBI has revised rules so that spreads over benchmark are more transparent and banks can pass on benefit earlier in some cases. Banks must give clearer reset conditions and allow borrowers informed choices like switching to fixed rate at reset points. This reduces complaints about unfair rate hikes. Question number 20. Can you mention any recent RBI move on deposit accounts and nomination? RBI has issued directions to standardize and promote nomination across savings, current and term deposits, lockers and safety custody accounts. Banks must proactively offer and record nomination so that settlement after a customer's death becomes smoother. This safeguards small customers and reduces legal hassles for families.
In fact, here one more information can be told, namely, now RBI has given instructions that depositors can nominate 4 people, 4 names. Earlier, it was only 1 name. Now we can have 4 names and we can tell out of the 4 names, 20% should go to this person, 30% should go to this person. Like that, we can give instruction. This is the latest change that has come. You can use this information when they ask you what are the recent news what are the recent RBI directives, what do you know about recent changes in nomination. For all these questions, this is the answer. Now, who can read now? Apart from Asif and Suparna, who has got good internet connection, who is good in reading? Come on, opt. Please raise your hand. Tell your name.
May I, sir, Abhinav?
Abhinav, please read from 21 to 30.
Sorry, sir. Question number?
21 to 30.
Okay. What is meant by RBI master directions? Master directions are considered consolidated rule books covering a subject created by combining multiple earlier circulars. Recently, RBI has been consolidating thousands of circulars into a smaller set of master directions to simplify compliance of banks. This also makes it easier for staff and customers to understand regulations.
You know how many master circulars they are bringing? From 9,500 circulars, they are bringing it down to what number? Anybody knows?
244.
Excellent. Good. Please continue.
22.
22.
What recent focus has IRDAI shown in health insurance guidelines? Recent guidelines aim to improve coverage and fairness by reducing waiting periods for pre-existing diseases and shortening moratorium periods. They also push for simpler wording, faster claim settlements, and clearer exclusions so customers know what is covered. The broader goal is to make health insurance more inclusive and customer-friendly.
Yeah. Now please go to 23.
What is IRDAI's role in the financial system? IRDAI regulates and supervises insurance companies to ensure solvency, fair products, and policyholder protection. It issues guidelines on product designs, pricings, disclosures, distribution, and data governance. A strong insurance regulation supports long-term savings and risk protection for households and businesses.
Okay.
Should I carry on?
No, okay, correct. 24 up to 30. Yeah.
Okay.
24.
What is SEBI and what does it regulate? SEBI is the capital market regulator responsible for protecting investors and ensuring fair functioning of stock exchanges, mutual funds, and intermediaries. It frames rules on disclosures, listing, insider trading, IPOs, and investment advisors. This builds trust in securities markets and enable companies to raise funds efficiently.
Please read this afterwards.
Question number 20.
Now, wait. Now we have to see what is Federal Bank share price as on date. Share price and market capitalization. what is it today? It is Federal Bank share price.
So 257.
Acha, oh, 1 minute. Correct, 257, and market capitalization is 63,273 crore. 257, 63,273 crore. Okay, very good. So like this, everybody should see about their bank's share price as on that day and get to know that, and before going for the interview. Very good. Please continue with 25.
Can you mention a recent area where SEBI has been active? SEBI has recently worked on refining rules for investment advisors and anchor investors in public issues, including norms around number of investors and allocation sizes. It frequently issues consultation papers and circulars to adjust listing and disclosure requirements. These steps aim to deepen markets while maintaining investor protection.
Good. Now, so 26.
What is NRI banking and why is it important? NRI banking provides specialized accounts and services like NRE, NRO, and FCNR deposits for Indians residing abroad. It helps channel foreign currency remittances into India's banking system and offers attractive returns to NRIs. For a bank, NRI business is a good structure of low-cost deposits and fee income.
For 1 minute, somebody is waiting. She has remitted money, it seems. And in fact, in respect of Federal Bank, NRI is a very good source. They, in fact, other things remaining constant, they get about 15% of total inward remittances from abroad that is done through our Federal Bank. 15%. There are hundreds of banks in India, but out of that, 15% of that is coming only through our Federal Bank. So that way you can understand how important is it. How important is it? Okay. Yeah. So that is what is more important. Who was reading it now? Yeah. Avin, please read 27.
What is a Nostro account? A Nostro account is an account that an Indian bank maintains with a foreign bank in that country's currency. It is used for international settlements, remittances, and trade transactions. Efficient management of Nostro accounts is important for smooth cross-border payments.
Yeah, Nostro account means our account with other banks. Whenever we talk about, say, American bank's account with us, it is known as Vostro, VOSTRO. Whenever we are mentioning about third-party account, say it will be known as LORO, LORO. But that is not required. Nostro, Vostro is very important. You can know it. Question number 28.
What is meant by rupee trade settlement through a special rupee Vostro accounts? Under SRVA, foreign banks hold rupee accounts with Indian banks to settle trade in INR rather than foreign currency. Recently, rules have allowing using SRVA balances for investments like corporate debt subject to RBI guidelines. This supports internationalization of the rupee and reduces dependence on hard currencies.
Yeah. Which are hard currencies? Which are hard currencies? Dollar, pound sterling, euro. They are all valued very high. The value goes up like anything every day. Right today, what is happening? Today, Parliament has started, and Patanai, they are fighting with each other there. Now here, RBI में क्या बोलता है regarding the interest, foreign exchange rates, we will see. देखो ना बढ़ गया 89.45. Please note down $1 is equal to 89.45. £1 sterling is equal to 118.26. €1 is equal to 103.63. 100 Japanese yen is equal to 57.20. Could you note down? No. Why you have to note down these figures? These are not going to remain permanent. But at least if you go to the interview, they ask, you can tell approximately this much. Okay. Very good. Now, where are we? Question number 29. Customer service, sales and ethics. Please read.
How will you cross-sell products to an existing savings account customer? First, I will understand the customer's profile, income, and goals through conservation and transactional history.
Through,
Then I will.
hello. क्या है? क्या पढ़ रहे हैं? अच्छे से पढ़ो.
Sorry, let me.
शुरू से पढ़ो first.
First, I will understand the customer's profile, income, and goals through conversation and transaction history.
आपने क्या बोला पहले?
Conservation.
हाँ, ऐसा मत नहीं करना. ट्रांसपोजिशन मत करना. Continue.
First, I will understand the customer's profile, income, and goals through conversation and transaction history. Then I will suggest suitable products like recurring deposits, insurance, credit cards, or personal loans by explaining specific benefits in simple language. I will avoid mis-selling and ensure documentation and KYC are complete.
Yeah, very good. 1 minute. What does KYC mean? Very, very important question. Please read. Hello, somebody, his line is not there. Anybody else can read?
Sir, can I?
Yeah, please read. Read. Hello, क्या बोल दिया?
If no one is responding me, I read, sir.
Please read. What is your name?
I think there is network issue from my.
Now next, somebody else. Come on.
Sir, Asif, I am reading, sir.
Please
What
read.
does KYC mean and why it is important? Know your customer involves verifying identity, address, and beneficial ownership of customers at onboarding and periodically. It helps prevent money laundering, fraud, and misuse of banking channels. Strong KYC and ongoing monitoring protect both the bank and the financial system.
31.
If your branch manager asks you to do something that violates regulations to achieve target, what will you do? Targets are important, but compliance is non-negotiable. I will respectfully explain regulatory requirements and possible risk to the manager and suggest alternative compliance way to achieve business. If pressure continues, I would escalate through proper internal channels while never compromising on regulations or customer interest.
Very good. So I think these three questions. I think apart from that, something more has come. Yeah. Anyhow, we will stop with this for the day because I have to go for my lunch. I have already given you this material. Please go through and at home, or if you people can assemble in our WhatsApp group and go and start reading it in Zoom or Team, wherever it is, please read. Yes, please.
Sir, can you share the document link directly because I was a little bit late to join this session.
I have given it in the WhatsApp group itself.
Okay, sir. Okay.
It is there in the WhatsApp group. It is a perplexity document. And 2 new people have joined now. I will share the materials to them and they can join our classes whenever I conduct. I will inform in our group. But this material link also I will provide once again in the WhatsApp group or to these people so that they can read them. Best wishes. Thank you. Remember, candidates, my role is only to an extent of guiding you, showing you that this is the way in which you have to walk. It is for you to walk or run and make it a grand success. Best wishes. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.